My dear children, welcome back to mathematics class. In the lesson chapter 7 permutations and combinations, we have completed two exercises. We have started permutation and we have studied the formula how to find permutation. Now in this exercise 7.3 we have done some questions. Let us do two questions now. Here the question is written, if find n if n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 is equal to 1 ratio 9. Okay, here one condition is given, we have to find the value of n. Okay, so what is given on the left side? Equal sign is the left side, right side. What is given here? n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4. Okay, so n minus 1 p3, how to expand? How can you expand n p r? How to expand n factorial by n minus r factorial? This is the expansion of n p r. In the similar way, same way, we have to expand n minus 1 p3. So how to expand n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3 factorial? Using the formula expand the similar way n factorial. Here it is n minus 1. So n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r. Here we have n minus 1 minus 3. Ratio np4, how to expand? N factorial by n minus 4 factorial. Okay, this is equal to 1 ratio 9. How to write as fraction? 1 by 4. 1 by 9. This is the condition given. Now we have to reduce this n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3. What it will be? N minus 4 factorial. Is it clear? Minus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 4. Ratio means division. So divided by n factorial by n minus 4 factorial. So division means multiply with the reciprocal. So take the reciprocal of this number. It will be n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial. Is it clear, children? Ratio means fraction. So division divided by n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. What we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of this and write this. Okay. So this reciprocal will be n minus 4 factorial above and n factorial down. Now let us cancel the common. N minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial cancel. This is equal to 1 by 9. Now n minus 1 factorial no change divided by n factorial. How to write? N minus 1 factorial into n. We have studied 9 factorial. How to write? 8 factorial into 9. This, do you remember? The same way n factorial, how to write? N minus 1 factorial into n. Is equal to, write the right side 1 by 9. Now whatever cancel, 1 by n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial cancel. What is remaining here? Here it is remaining 1 by n is equal to 1 by 9. Take the cross product, n into 1, n, 1 into 9, 9. So n is equal to 9. So here what is the value of n? N is equal to 9. Okay. So ratio means that this ratio means fraction. So write as fraction. Okay. This is left side and this is right side. 1 ratio 9. How to write? 1 by 9. Now we have to cancel the common factors. Whatever remaining will be 1 by n. It is equal to 1 by 9. So n is equal to 9. I hope it is clear for you. Children, do one more question like this. Question is written here. Find r. Question number 1. In question number 7, there are two questions. Okay, we are going to do this question only here. Okay, now here we have to find the value of r. One condition is given. 5pr is equal to 2 into 6pr minus 1. Okay, so here we have to use the permutation formula for expansion. Expand this 5pr. How to expand? 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 2 into 6pr minus 1. How to expand? 6 factorial by 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. After subtraction, two terms are there. Put it in a bracket. That you have studied smaller classes. So 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial by no change I have made here no change. Only this we are going to make changes. So 6 minus r minus 1. Minus into minus 1 changes to plus. So 6 minus r plus 1 factorial. Is it clear, children? Open the bracket. R changes to minus. 1 minus into minus plus. Isn't it? Now next step we can write 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial. How can we write here? Already we have 5 factorial. So 6 factorial, how to write? 5 factorial into 6 divided by 6 plus 1. What is it? 7 minus r factorial. Is it clear, children? So only one change we have made. 6 factorial, we wrote it as 5 factorial into 6. Then this 5 factorial can be cancelled. What are the remaining terms? 1 by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6, 12. 12 divided by 7 minus r factorial. Again we have to make some changes. 9 factorial, how to write? Can be written as 8 factorial into 9, or it can be written as 7 factorial into 8 into 9. Okay, children, 9 factorial, how to write? 7 factorial into 8 into 9. In the same way, how can you write 7 minus r factorial? 5 minus r factorial into 6 minus r into 7 minus r. 7 minus r. Is it clear, children? So 7 minus r factorial. To cancel this 5 minus r factorial on both sides, we have to expand in this way. Okay. 5 minus r factorial into remaining two terms which are there. 6 minus r into 7 minus r. Now this can be cancelled. Take these two terms to the right, left side. So what is the change? 6 minus r into 7 minus r is equal to 12. Is it clear, children? Same terms cancel. Remind these two terms. Take to the left side. Now open the bracket. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into minus r, minus 6r. Minus r into 7, minus 7r. Minus into minus plus, r square is equal to 12. Just to rearrange. R square first. Minus 6r, minus 7r. Adding we have minus 13r. Plus 42 minus 12 is equal to 0. 12 to the left. Okay. Now this is a quadratic equation in terms of r. R square minus 13r. 42 minus 12. What is the result? 30. 30 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation we can solve using the splitting the middle method. We can solve this. Two numbers, sum is negative 30 and product is 30. Which are the numbers? Minus 10, minus 3. Sum is equal to minus 30 and product is equal to 30. So how to split the middle term? R square minus 10r minus 3r plus 30 is equal to 0. I think this is simple for you. Common factors r into r minus 10 minus 3 into r minus 10 is equal to 0. Again common, r minus 10 is common into r minus 3 is equal to 0. R is equal to 10 or r is equal to 3. So we have to find the value of r. We have two values. Since n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 in the given question, r should be less than 5. That is the condition, the formula. Okay, n is equal to 5 already have. So r should be less than 5. So here r is equal to 3 will be the correct answer. R is not equal to 10. Since r always less than n. Here n is equal to 5. So here answer is equal to r is equal to 10. R is equal to 10 is not possible. All of you do this yourself. Okay. Here actually expansion, cancellation, we will reach at a quadratic equation, then solve it. Any doubt we will discuss in the live class. Thank you, children.